Ever wonder how to keep your body in top shape during the chilly winter months? It can be a bit of a challenge, can't it? As the temperatures drop, we often find ourselves craving comfort food and curling up under a blanket rather than hitting the gym. But here's the thing: maintaining a healthy lifestyle is all about balance, and that includes a diet rich in nutrients. So, let's dive into our list of 5 winter superfoods you can incorporate into your diet. First on our list is sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are winter superfoods, packed with health benefits. Rich in vitamins A and C, they boost the immune system, helping protect against winter colds. High in fiber, they promote digestive health and keep you feeling full. The complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy, combating winter fatigue. With a low glycemic index, sweet potatoes help regulate blood sugar levels. Their abundance of antioxidants supports overall well-being, reducing inflammation. Enjoying sweet potatoes during colder weather supports vision, skin health, and a strong immune system, making them a tasty and nutritious addition to winter meals. How to eat it: roasted into wedges or fries. Sliced, toasted, and topped with avocado as an alternative to toast. Mashed as an alternative to traditional potato mash. Sprinkled with cinnamon and enjoyed with yogurt as a dessert. The second on our list, let's talk about citrus fruits. These vibrant orbs of goodness are a powerhouse of nutrients, not the least of which is vitamin C. As we brace ourselves for the chill of winter, a daily dose of citrus can do wonders for our immune system. In fact, did you know that just one medium-sized orange can supply you with all the vitamin C you need for the day? But the benefits of citrus fruits don't stop at vitamin C. These fruits are also high in fiber and low in calories, making them a healthy choice for those mindful of their waistline. And let's not forget their versatility in the kitchen. From zesty dressings to tangy desserts, citrus fruits can add a refreshing twist to your winter meals. So, don't let the cold keep you from enjoying these sunshine-filled fruits. Citrus fruits aren't just for summer, they are indeed a winter superfood. Citrus fruits offer a bounty of health benefits in a burst of refreshing flavors. Packed with vitamin C, they bolster the immune system, aiding in illness prevention. The antioxidants in citrus fruits combat oxidative stress, promoting skin health and reducing inflammation. Rich in soluble fiber, they support digestive well-being and heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, are hydrating and contribute to weight management with their low-calorie content. Additionally, these fruits may lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease. Including citrus in your diet adds a zesty punch to taste while nurturing overall health. Moving on, have you ever considered root vegetables as a winter superfood? Well, let's dive into the earthy goodness of these underground gems. Root vegetables, like carrots, beets, and parsnips, are packed with vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A and C, which bolster our immune system during the colder months. Not only are these vegetables readily available in winter, but they're also versatile in the kitchen, making them a staple for hearty stews, roasts, or even as snacks. But the benefits don't stop at their nutritional value. Root vegetables are known for their fiber content, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Plus, they are rich in antioxidants that are believed to support heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Whether you're roasting them for a comforting dinner or blending them into a warming soup, root vegetables offer a delicious way to stay healthy during winter. Root vegetables, an underground treasure trove of nutrition, perfect for winter months. Next on our list, nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are chock full of goodness that can help you stay healthy during the winter months. Brimming with protein, they're a fantastic source of energy, keeping you active and alert even as the temperatures drop. But that's not all. Nuts and seeds are also rich in healthy fats. These unsaturated fats are not just good for your waistline, they're essential for your heart too, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase the good ones. Dig a little deeper and you'll find these bite-sized wonders are also packed. with fiber, antioxidants, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. From almonds to flax seeds, each variety offers a unique blend of nutrients, helping to boost your immune system, improve your skin and hair, and even enhance your mood. So, why not add a handful to your diet? Sprinkle them on your salad, mix them into your morning oatmeal, or simply snack on them throughout the day. Nuts and seeds, a crunchy delight, packed with nutrients, ideal for the winter season. The fourth on our list is Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts emerge as winter superstars, delivering a powerhouse of health benefits. Packed with immune-boosting vitamin C, these cruciferous veggies help ward off seasonal illnesses. Rich in fiber, they promote digestive health, keeping you satisfied during colder months. Brussels sprouts contain potent antioxidants, like kaempferol, combating inflammation and supporting cardiovascular health. Their high vitamin K content contributes to bone strength, crucial during winter when outdoor activities may be limited. Additionally, these cruciferous gems boast a wealth of nutrients including folate and vitamin A, promoting overall well-being. Incorporating Brussels sprouts into winter meals not only enhances flavor but also provides a nutritional punch, ensuring a robust and resilient body throughout the chilly season. Finally, our last winter superfood, oatmeal. This humble grain is a powerhouse of nourishment. Packed with a high fiber content, oatmeal is a champion in promoting digestive health. It's not just about keeping your gut happy though. Oatmeal is also known for its potential in maintaining heart health. It's a friend to those aiming for weight management, providing a sense of fullness that can help curb those mid-morning hunger pangs. Oatmeal, a warm and nourishing start to your winter mornings. So there you have it, 5 winter superfoods to keep you healthy this season. From the vitamin C-packed citrus fruits to the nutrient-rich root vegetables. Then we have the protein-filled nuts and seeds, and the Brussels sprouts. Let's not forget the heartwarming oatmeal to start your day. Each one of these superfoods offers unique health benefits that are especially beneficial during the colder months. So, why not incorporate them into your diet? Stay healthy, stay warm, and enjoy the winter season with these superfoods. What is your favorite winter superfood? Tell us in the comments section down below. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant change to your diet or adding new beverages, especially if you have specific health concerns or condition. Share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And turn on your post notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Take care.